folic acid. What is the active coenzyme? The active coenzyme is tetrahydrofolic acid. The active coenzyme is what? Tetrahydrofolic acid. Okay. Now, how the folic acid is getting absorbed in your body? See, in case of plants, in case of green leafy vegetables, it is in the presence of polyglutamate. This polyglutamate in the presence of hydrolase, which is follyl hydrolase, will get converted into monoglutamate. Okay. So, this monoglutamate in the presence of a reductase enzyme, I will just write it in different color, reductase. Okay. This is your follyl reductase. Okay. It gets converted into what? It gets converted into dihydrofolate. Okay. Now, again this dihydrofolate in the presence of follyl reductase will get converted into tetrahydrofolic acid. Okay. So, this is how the tetrahydrofolic acid is formed in your body. Okay. Now, what is the role of this tetrahydrofolic acid? It just acts as a carrier of one carbon containing compounds. In various redox states. So, you all should be knowing about different types of one carbon containing compounds. Say for example, methyl, which is what? CH3. Then we have methylene, which is CH2. Then we have methinyl, which is CH, and in this case you have double bond CH. Then we have formyl. In this you will be having CHO and form imino. In this you will be having CH, NH connected by a double bond. So, these are the various kinds of one carbon containing compounds, and it is extremely important for this one carbon containing compounds to act. Okay. So, what exactly happens by this formyl tetrahydrofolate? See, what is the role of this folic acid? Folic acid is extremely important for the synthesis of your nucleotides. Okay. So, how? See, deoxy-UMP, deoxyuridine monophosphate will get converted into deoxythymine monophosphate. Okay. So, this thymine monophosphate conversion is carried out by an enzyme called as thymidylate synthase. Okay. And this TMP is extremely important for synthesis of your DNA. Okay. So, this thymidylate synthase will require folic acid. Okay, for its function. Okay. Now, if there is a cancer which is getting which is growing in your cell, and you want to stop that cancer, cancer is nothing but the uncontrolled growth of your cells. Okay. Now, in order to control that, what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to block the places where the DNA synthesis possibilities can occur, and in this case an antagonist for this thymidylate synthase is methotrexate. Okay. So, how it decreases? It inhibits various kinds of anti-cancer drugs. So, these kind of anti-cancer drugs, how they act on the dihydrofolate reductase enzyme, they act directly to inhibit the thymidylate synthesis also.